Welcome back to our YouTube channel in the Ask Pwip session. Here am I answering your questions. So Tushar, whether it is irrevocable LC, confirmed LC, site LC, usance LC, you know what? There is a myth. A lot of people think that if I get an LC, my finance is sorted. No, the bank is not going to give you any money just by having an LC. So the question is, then why is this LC talked about a lot and said that it's a very safe and you get money? No, it doesn't happen like this. So what happens is, condition number one, assume a case where you are already an exporter for 3-5 years, you have a very good balance sheet, you get an LC, then your bank will definitely look into it and give you a funding on the LC. That was condition number one. Or assume that you just started your export company, you have no turnover, you have no vintage with the bank. In that case, what do? If you have a collateral, a property or anything that you can attach it to the bank, then based on that collateral, the bank can still try and look and give a funding for you. Otherwise, just by getting a LC, no, you're not going to get financing from banks. Might be some third party, lending companies, some capital firms might still look and see how they can give you a financing, but definitely not banks. But in that case, what happens is, if you get an LC, assume that if you're not getting funding at all, you have to still arrange for the cargo, you have to figure out the payments for that yourself, you have to have funds, or you have to borrow from somebody else, or you have to take a credit period from the supplier, the factory, the mill, or whomever you're working with. They will give you the cargo on credit, say for 30 days. You might be some 10 to 15 days to bring the cargo to the port, load it onto the vessel, get the shipping bills and all the documents. You give that set of documents to your bank then processes it to the customer's bank, and then you get the money that way. And once you get the money, you pay your supplier. That could be the best way to solve this problem, and if you have a supply base or a supplier who is willing to help you. In a lot of cases, it happens that so a lot of youngsters have their family having a factory or a business, and you try and export that products, and that time your family is able to give you some credit period, some time to repay and experiment on all of this. LC is a very safe mode of payment, but it is not an instrument in which you can take immediate funding. Yes, as I said, if you have vintage, if you have collateral, in those cases, yes, they definitely will consider and give you funding. I hope this answered the question. This topic is very, very deeper. We could even go into what are the different types of LC. Also, I'll raise a sub question to this, Tushar. Do you think once you ship out the cargo and you produce the documents to your bank, do you think your bank will give you the funds immediately? In my answer is no. There are again two conditions in this. One, these documents, the communication is physically sent to your buyer. The buyer comes to his bank, he approves these documents, and only then the payment is being released to your bank. That could be one condition. The other condition is, once you submit to the bank, then the bank says that, see, now I know that you have really done the shipment because the BL copy is there, which means anyway I know that you might have done some kind of a research, authentication test, etc. So I feel that you will get the payment for, from the buyer. So I will give you 80% funds immediately because I trust you. This case can happen if you bring the documents to the bank. So this is what it is. A lot of things are there. What is a confirmed LC? What kind of banks to choose? What are these different instruments and what happens in an LC? Which we will talk some other day. But I hope this has answered your question, Tushar.